Philadelphia, and Schuylkill. The National Weather Service in Bloomington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Broome County and central New York, southern Delaware County and central New York, south central Connecticut County and central New York, Sullivan County and central New York, South County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northern Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sanitarius Springs to near Susquehanna to near Montrose, moving at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations and hazards include Rockland, Alford, Monticello, Kirkwood, Conklin, Honesdale, Liberty, Bethel, Matthews, and Jackson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous clouds to ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Heavy rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties: in Wayne, in Sullivan, New York.